Okay, so I am back and it's time to do part 2 of this video. So first things first I'm going to do is just go ahead and wet my hair up. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you guys do watch part 1 on how I created this asymmetrical bob cut. But now we're going to take it even shorter. So we're going to go back to step 1, which is wetting the hair. And we're gonna go really short this time. So I'm gonna go back in with my razor combs. For some reason, all of my razors are like dull as hell and I'm really mad, but I'm gonna have to make it work. So I am just gonna go on a chopping spree. Like, I'm just going to chop literally. So I want you guys to just watch along and see what I'm doing, and I will explain as I go. So the goal is to pretty much chop everything down because you want it to still have that fullness but be short. You don't really want to have anything hanging. So as you guys see, I was just going in with shorter angles, and I'm also taking my scissors and still going in that razor cut motion, and I'm just chopping everything down. Like, you don't really want anything long, but you still want to be able to keep a lot of that curl. It's getting very sexy over here. And I just pretty much want to do this with this whole look. Like, I'm just going to go in and just chop crazy. Like, I just want everything to be like no longer than, I guess you can say, like no longer than 4 inches. And I'm just going to do this all around. I'm just going to cut and make everything very short, and I'm still stretching that hair out and chopping it down. I'm grabbing the hair from the middle, and like I said, because the middle is going to be different when you pull it to the side, I'm just going to chop it short. I can kind of feel like I can pull it up and I can cut down as well to see where I need to cut and to cut off, but you just want to keep everything short. Like, see, I just pulled that and that's long. Shorten it up. So now that we got this side nice and short, we're going to start working on this side here. Now, as you can see, it's still long as hell over here, so we do have a lot to cut. So what I want to do is I'm going to take a clip and actually pull this up, and I'm going to work on chopping all of this off, and I actually want to chop it going around my ear so my ear could kind of be out. So here my ear is. Well, let me find it. So you want to kind of chop the hair behind the ear short, and you want to chop the hair in front of the ear short as well, but creating like a creating like a sideburn type of look. So I'm going to start chopping once again using the scissor razor cut method. So I'm going to go ahead and let down my clip, and I'm going to cut some more. I do want like a short bang though. Like, I don't want it to be like super short. I just want a kind of a short bang. So I'm going to use my razor to razor off the rest, but leaving some long slightly. And I'm kind of pulling the front back a little bit. Oh, this is getting really, really sexy. But I'm pulling like the bang part back in a diagonal a little bit so it can kind of fall like back, but still like, you know, in my face sort of kind of. To me, this is so bomb. I love it. Absolutely love it. And I'm going to drop some pictures for you. Like I said, I just kept everything short. I did razor this part here on a bit of an angle because I did want like that bang type of look. I kept a little fullness here. And I kind of got like that peekaboo bang because you kind of see my eyes there. But so this is a short look. So I created 2 looks for you. It's summertime, you want to be cute, you want to be short, you want to be sexy, and it's definitely a look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part 2 tutorial. Thank you guys for tuning in to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV, and I will see y'all next time.